Good morning. Take these few minutes to sit comfortably and listen. These moments will help you recharge for the new day ahead. Start with a smile. No matter how you feel, just smile. Research shows that even a fake smile can improve your mood. Keep smiling, and remember to smile throughout the day. Today is a new day filled with new opportunities. Even if it feels like nothing new is happening, remember, life is always changing. Wonderful and unexpected things can come to you at any moment. Wheels are turning that you're not even aware of. Live with the belief that something amazing will happen today. You sparkle. You are magnetic, full of energy and brave. You are talented, and you will succeed. You are always worthy of the best. Each step you take is leading you towards an incredible life. Now step out into the world as your unique and amazing self.